Hey Jotformers, spring is officially here, and with it, we're bringing some exciting new announcements.
Stay tuned to learn more about our appointment field updates, our new and improved thank you page, how Jotform can help you with your taxes this year, and more.
Appointment scheduling is hard enough, but securing follow-up visits and sending out reminder emails can be even more tedious. We've made some major improvements to our appointment field so you can automate follow-up appointments to ensure these visits are secured in the right time period. Anyone who fills out your online appointment form can even add scheduled appointments to their calendars and automatically receive email reminders beforehand.
We're also excited to announce a brand new thank you page design for all our Jotform users. Your form's thank you page is a great opportunity to build your relationship with respondents while validating their submission. Learn how our new design and tips will send your users off on a positive note after completing their form.
In other news, it's tax season in the US and Jotform has your back. Be sure to check out our blogs covering the ins and outs of W-4 and W-9 tax forms, as well as Jotform tax templates to help you get started.
Finally, Jotform has made improvements to our payment processor integrations to ensure better stock control for your business. Selling things is important, but selling more than you currently have in your inventory, that's not so great. With Jotform payment integrations, you can now manage and limit availability in your product order forms to what you actually have on hand, and even receive email notifications when your products are about to sell out.
That's all for this month. Be sure to hit subscribe for more updates from Jotform.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.